Hello YouTube friends, welcome to Natural Healthcare. Enjoy this video and subscribe this channel.
Say goodbye to snoring. Any sound that comes out while exhaling the air out of oxygen is called as snoring. Many people mistake it to be deep sleep or sound and relaxed sleep. But this is not true. Snoring is nothing but having bad sleep. It is due to obstruction in the sleep, the sound takes place. Here are the top home remedies for snoring. Being overweight, people that snore tend to be about obese. So it is very important cut down on excess fat consumption, via suitable exercising and also a balanced nutrition. Alternate therapies, a hypnotic approach, dual as well as crystal therapy, as well as magnet therapy tend to be different strategies that will relieve snoring. Peace strategies as well as removal stress. Tension generally is a cause of snoring. Work challenges, targeted visitors, as well as romantic relationship challenges, generally is a bring about pertaining to snoring. These types of may be reduced via meditation, checking drops, aeration therapy, as well as aromatherapy. Besides that, yoga and fitness, massage, and in many cases any domestic hot water shower will help up to a point. Homeopathic medicines, some natural medicines can also be used to quit snoring. The widely accepted versions tend to be Y-Snore, which often decongests this nasal as well as enables oxygen to circulation openly towards the trachea. Additional, a single will go under the title connected with Snore Quit, modifying slumber jobs. It really is observed that folks that slumber right around the back snore, whilst snoring doesn't occur whenever a single sleeps about one side. Sleep type, appropriate height in the back again cushion, can also are the reason for the actual lowering regarding snoring. Through assisting the actual height regarding torso, you will find there's adjust from the gravitational center. Due to the actual adjust, the actual strain drawing near the location regarding tonsils is lesson presenting method to the actual manage regarding snoring. Say goodbye to smoking, one more naturally effective technique by which it is possible to say goodbye to snoring is by refraining from smoking. Using tobacco causes nasal and also other respiratory tract associated overcrowding, which in turn results in snoring. Using tobacco additionally causes the actual leisure regarding tonsils muscular tissues presence method to snoring. As a result, manage regarding smoking will produce the actual manage regarding snoring. That's it friends about snoring. Hope you find it useful. Please be sure that when you adopt a healthy lifestyle, you shall minimize the scope of damaging your health. In this busy day-to-day life,